joining us today with her tips for healthy and refreshed menu ideas for every meal of the day is registered dietitian Annessa Chumbley. Thanks so much for being here.
Oh, let me tell you, I'm the person to help with this because we've got 5 kids at home, including a super squishy newborn baby boy. So easy, healthy, and affordable are what we've learned to do best. My 3 best tips as a working mama are to plan and prep ahead, then pick no-fuss recipes. So this is like a tool back in your back pocket. And then finally, look for quality, affordable store brand products. So I'm so excited to bring to you my 2 favorite brands. First, I love going organic with O Organics because they're all USDA certified, they're affordable for all, and they're non-GMO. And then I love the Open Nature line. I call them Freedom because their whole line is free from 110 additives like artificial flavors and preservatives. So these are the kind of things we use in our house. And I love that both Open Nature and O Organics are affordable, which is exactly what a family needs. And as a registered dietitian and mom who does so much cooking, they've really made it easy to use clean and organic ingredients into every meal. You can easily find Open Nature and O Organics exclusively at your local Albertsons or Safeway. And then don't forget, just hop online for delivery or drive up and go. Then you can go to albertsons.com or safeway.com/ourbrands for the recipes.
Thanks, Annessa, and for See What's Portland, I'm Nicole DeCosta.